Hello and welcome to a beautiful practice for the heart. Appreciation is free and it enriches our life because we are not constantly looking to have more or accomplish more, but we meet that drive with an inner commitment to also be open to what we already have in life. Appreciation is the gift that keeps on giving, because the more we recognize, and this is literally how the brain works, what we can appreciate in our life, the more we will find it, and it will be like a snowball becoming bigger and bigger and taking up space in our life. So today we're going to do the gratitude appreciation practice for hips and heart. Once again, it's a short practice because we want to encourage you to know that even with a 10 minutes practice, you can make a huge impact in your day. So don't say, oh, I only have 20 minutes. Make those minutes count. Those minutes are valuable. So we're going to open hips and hearts today. Let's start today laying down onto our backs. Good. And if you are the person that resists a little bit the back bend, then definitely I will recommend you to definitely do it and find a new way to be in it. So we start with the legs bend into Setu Bandha. Our hands can be onto the thighs and just taking a moment. I love this release of my lower back, just placing my hands to the upper thighs and just pushing a bit. Chin a little bit to the chest, taking a moment to bring awareness to the natural length of the spine. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, navel to spine. One more breath in. And breathing out. Good. Now reach with your fingers to the heels. On an in-breath, lift the hips up. Push through the full feet. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, once again, lift up. This time try to bring your shoulders a bit more together, shoulder blades, clasping the hands together and lifting the heart to the shin. So try chin. So try to press to the feet and bring your sternum, your breastbone to your chin. Then from here, relaxing down, taking a breath in to bring the right knee into the chest and place the right ankle over the left knee. We're coming into a reclined figure 4 for 3 breaths. Shoulders are wide, hips are wide. And if there's any sounds, anything in the background, let it be there, attuned to your inner sound. The sound of your breathing, the sound of you choosing to appreciate. And from here, putting the left foot down to the floor as we will try to lift our hips up. Just one breath in. Exhale, release down, putting the right foot down to the floor. Inhale, left knee to the chest. Exhale, left ankle over the right knee. Right knee hugs into the chest. Take 3 breaths. And now actively try to soften your jaw, soften and broaden shoulder blades and hips. Trying to find this connection to the earth and to the physical body, relaxing down to the earth. Then your right foot comes down and we try on an in-breath to push through that right foot and lift the hips up as if you're pushing up a heavy weight. Exhale, the hips come down. Release, hug the 2 knees to the chest. And we're going to try to rock up and back, forward and back into yogic squat. So try to rock, roll, massaging the whole spine. And we try to land, if we can, into yogic squat. Maybe move a little bit your wrist, rising through the spine. Taking a deep breath in. Softening the hips, breathe out, deep breath in, exhale, fold over the legs, feet hip width, dropping the head fully down. Now we take a halfway lift, inhale, stepping to hands and knees position, Just 3 rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round. Press through the hands, navel to spine. 2 more. Inhale, open. And exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, come to neutral. Put your knees a little bit back. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Knees just chin. Now gliding forward, lift your chest. Good. And now to try to clasp the hands together onto the back. Good. Lift the chest in and breathe out. Take 2 more slow breaths and try to actively pull the shoulder blades together and let that rise up the chest in each breath in. And from here, relax. Stretch the left arm horizontally to the side, roll over the left shoulder, and put the right foot behind. You might want to catch with your right hand onto the right foot, lead the heart forward. And as you breathe, can you now try to bring all your attention to who and what you love already, want something in this moment in your life, and let your attention dwell in that. Breathe in. Rolling back onto the belly. Left arm can come next to the left ear. Right leg is still bent. Try to catch with your right hand the right foot. It can be a bit more accessible the outside in internal rotation, but if you want to externally rotate shoulder and catch this inside, you can. Kick the foot back. You can put your left hand a bit closer, but lead with the heart and feel awareness in the whole spine. So you're not pushing anything to go deeper, quicker, but you allow, you breathe, you explore. And from here, keep the right leg bent, hands under the shoulders, right toes tap behind the left knee, and we inhale to raise the right arm up. Lead with your heart, lift your heart, or maybe lift the hips again as if you're kicking up that heavy weight. 2 hands come down and we go to pigeon, going deeper into our hips. Some of us choose to be here, some of us choose to go forward and stay here. We take 5 slow breaths. Or of course, if you feel like you want to extra stretch your quad, you can bend your back leg. There's no pressure. If there's pain, go less deep. It's not about what it looks like. How can you express love? How can you awaken the qualities of the heart in each pose? And release from here. Just simple, we put the hands under the shoulders and we step to high plank position. You can take 1 vinyasa or some rounds of cat-cow, whatever you feel. Meeting in down dog, everyone. 3 lion's breath, Shimasana, taking a breath in through the nose and an exhale, cleansing out through the mouth. And don't hold back, really let it out. You are liberating yourself to let love in, liberating from the judgments, from the perceptions that say it's not enough, focusing on what is there and give it love. Coming to high plank position, inhale, coming to lay down onto the belly again. Stretch the right arm horizontally to the side. Roll over the right shoulder. Bend your left leg, put it behind, maybe catch with your left hand to the left foot as you shine your heart forward. Some of us might have a block under the right ear or a little pillow if you repeat the practice. Breathe into all areas of the heart. Then rolling back onto the belly. And you can try to keep holding on to the left foot if you're holding it. Right arm to the front or a bit closer and kick the foot back. So we have the position of the arm, of the shoulder, but also we can adjust the position of the foot. Some like to flex, dorsal flexion the foot and kick up, or point and engage more through the back of the leg. Either way, calm down again. Hands under the shoulders, and now we tap with the left toes behind the right knee. Lead with the left arm open and really think about raising the spine up, lengthening the spine, leading through the fingers. And now we lift up through the hips, Deepest breath in, maybe gaze to the left hand, lead the heart up. Maybe even let go of that left foot. If you're repeating the practice, catching with your left hand to the left foot. Squeeze, 2 hands down, pigeon stretch to the left side. Stay up or come down. 5 breaths or pause if you want to stay longer. Breathing. Where can you soften? Don't focus where is the tension. How can you meet it? Then coming slowly up. Swing the right leg to the front. Maybe wiggle your legs for a moment. And then we come in a sit. Today we close off with a just very brief pranayama, very brief breathing. Sit up tall. Put your hands on your heart or connect with the heart space. And now in that space, vibrate with the word, with the energy of love. When did you feel love today or yesterday? It can be in something small, in the rays of sun kissing your skin, a moment the sun broke through the clouds, or a smile, genuine, a hug, a touch. Let's no longer just connect love to romantic love. Appreciation and love is a quality, is a practice. Each time we step on the mat, we give it expression. So let's take 3 breaths where we inhale fully. Hold the breath into the heart, feel it light. Exhaling completely and wait. Inhale gradually, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold. And exhale. Joining the hands in front of the heart, bowing the head to the heart, our highest and greatest teacher of all. Thank you for practicing with us. Wishing you a beautiful and loving morning or day ahead.